Welcome back, geometry. So today's assignment, we're going to be looking at perpendiculars and distance. Tomorrow, we're going to get more into the actual distance equation. But today, all we want to do is we want to make sure that we know what the perpendiculars are and how to draw them in our figures. So distance from a point to a line. When a point is not on a line, the distance from the point to the line is the length of the segment that contains the point and it's perpendicular to the line. So I want you guys to realize that it's the perpendicular length. That's how we measure the length. All right, so example 1, construct the segment that represents the distance from E to AF. From E to AF. So we're looking at this diagram here, A, B, E, F. And we want the distance from E to the line AF. So it's going to be the perpendicular line. So if I drew a line to AF, that wouldn't be perpendicular because I need it to be a 90-degree angle. So what we have to do is we have to extend AF out, and then we can drop the perpendicular here, and I'll do this in a different color. We drop the perpendicular from E to F, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but it should look like that, and we're going to put our box in there, and that box, remember, represents a right angle. So a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be looking at figures and we're going to just draw the perpendicular. So I'm going to do 4 of them with you, and then I'm going to leave these 2 for you to do on your own. So construct the segment that represents the distance indicated from C to AB. So the first thing I want to do, I'm locating C, and AB is right underneath it. And if you notice, I can just drop a line right there, and that is the perpendicular line. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this point here and call it X. So CX would be the distance. And that's all I'm doing. So number 2, from D to AB. So from D to AB, if you notice, if I'm going to draw a perpendicular line, it's going to have to come down here. So that would mean I have to extend AB this way, and that right there is my perpendicular distance, and we're going to label that X. All right. Number 3, it says from T to RS. So T, and if I'm going to draw a perpendicular from T, it's going to be right about here. So I'm going to extend RS, and that is my point right there. And we're going to label that X. And then the last one, S to PQ. PQ is perfect because it's right inside, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my line and put my symbol to make sure I know it's perpendicular and label it X. So that's all you're doing, and then you got number 5 and 6 to do on your own. Good luck. If you need help, give me a call. Hit me up. See ya.